Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch from pen. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a good selection of pens, some quality paper, and an eraser. Choosing the right paper is crucial. Look for a smooth, durable surface that won't bleed. Also, select pens with various line weights to achieve different artistic effects in your sketch. Next, let's dive into some basic techniques. Practice fundamental strokes such as hatching, cross-hatching, and stippling to build texture. Learning to control your line pressure is key for creating lighter or darker tones and adding depth. Don't forget to experiment with different pen angles. This can significantly alter the quality and character of your lines. Now, let's focus on developing form and shading in your sketch. Utilize hatching and cross-hatching techniques to effectively build up shadows and clearly define the three-dimensional form of your subject. Pay close attention to your light source to accurately place highlights and shaded areas. Remember to layer your ink gradually to achieve smooth transitions and rich, deep tonal values. Finally, it's time to refine the details and finish your pen sketch. Add those intricate details and textures using smaller, more precise strokes to bring your subject to life. Take a moment to review your entire sketch for overall balance, composition, and visual impact. You might also consider adding a final outline or some accent lines to enhance definition and make certain elements pop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.